Hello students, and welcome to your very first Zaption lesson. This is the procedure that we will use each time we do a Zaption lesson in class or at home. So please follow this procedure so you know what to do. The first step is to open the Zaption link from Google Classroom and also make sure you have downloaded the correct iBook. Next, you will begin watching the Zaption. Now, during the vocabulary section at the beginning, switch back to your iBook and write down the definitions in a note. So each time you hear a vocab word, switch back to your iBook and write down the definitions. After the vocabulary section is over, then follow the Zaption and answer any questions. So you will finish the Zaption movie. Step 5. When you finish the Zaption, go to Quizlet and practice the old and new unit vocabulary. This is the procedure we will use each and every time. So now let us begin with the very first chapter. We will go over the vocabulary. Please remember to add it in your own iBook. This chapter is chapter 1, and it is the Introduction to Ancient Greece. Our first vocabulary word in this chapter is settlements. Settlements is a noun. It is a place where people live where there were no people before. So at this point, switch to your iBook and add this definition in your own iBook. Our next vocabulary word is coast. Coast is also a noun, and it means the land next to the sea or land next to the water. Please add that to your iBook. Our next word is government. Government is a noun, and it is the system used to control a country. Please add that word to your iBook. Our next word is city-states. City-states is also a noun, and it is a city that is also a country. Please add that to your iBook. Our last word is worshipped. That is the past tense of the verb to worship. It means to treat somebody or something like a god. So you can worship a person or you can worship a thing. Please add that last word to your iBook. And now you will continue and you will listen to this entire Zaption as I read the chapter, and you will answer any questions that you see during the Zaption lesson.